Hello everyone. So as you can see, it's already 4th of November and the time is 1:32 a.m. So I'm making this video now so that you can watch it in the morning. And I did not get time yesterday to make a video. So I just half an hour ago I finished all my work and then I took a bath and now I'm making the video. So yes, after almost 1 year, again I made a 6-digit profit in one day. So I have shared all the order details, even like in the morning when the orders were open, like the trades were open. So I posted it on Twitter, so you can see it. Like I posted it around 11:59, so when the trades were open, okay. And finally, yeah, I showed you that it's a 6-digit profit that I made. So yes, the thing is that how I made it. So the thing is, like yesterday, I knew that Fed meeting was there, and as usual, the US market usually fall, and even during the trading hours. Okay, during the trading hours, if you go and check my tweet, I mean. I mentioned on tweet before the end of the data came. So my intraday analysis said that put riders were closing and futures long unwinding was happening, and we exactly saw that the same thing in the EOD data yesterday. So I analyzed that and I took the advantage of it, but it was a very risky trade. I went and you have seen my trades there. That is, I was heavily short at 18,100 at a price of around 72 rupees, okay, 72 point something yesterday. So at the end I made all those the call short positions at 18,100, okay. But yes, again it was a very risky trade. So the logic behind the trade was that I was shorting it around 72 rupees. So I thought that even the next day, if market goes up, so every day the market was having some resistance at 18,175. So I thought that even in my worst case scenario, if market goes up to 18,200, then also I'll be having a loss of 28 rupees, okay. So per lot, per lot means per lot I'll be having a loss of 15 to 28, okay. So the thing is that yes, I calculated that risk and everything, and yes, the trade was totally risky because anything could have happened. And then finally today, after the Fed meeting, I saw that exit entry was coming down, and today there was a gap down, okay. And then also I did not close the trade, but again market shot up and I knew that the FIIs were present there. So I kept I kept on waiting, because the writing positions what you have is you can wait, and so today it will decay to zero. So the thing is you have to just wait. So that's what I did, and I clearly showed you my live trades on Twitter. And also here I told you that I gave you a signal, a nice signal, that is go for sell on rise, okay. So at 1:16 p.m. if you saw Nifty and Bank Nifty, so here 1:16 here, so this is the candle from 110 to 115. So here at this level I clearly told that go for sell on rise. So after that Nifty there was some up move, not huge. So from here if you see the up move, so how many points, like 1832 to 1850, okay. So 20 points up move, and then finally again it came down, okay. So that's the thing I told. Even if you see in Bank Nifty, so 110, so this is the region, and then Bank Nifty went up this candle and finally it came down here, okay. So that's what I clearly told you, that it's a sell on rise market, okay. So and you can very well see the time and time of the tweet, okay. So that's the thing. So I mean, for this analysis, please do give a like, and so let's go ahead. And yes, even for the members, like clearly in the morning I told that PropDex and FIIs were having call writing position, so finally it will have to come down. And also there was one point, that is I mean at 18,050 this algo trading was being done on the call side. Okay, so call was bought huge amount, and then again I mean suddenly they were leaving the position. So I was just noticing the premium, so it sharply increased and then again sharply decreased. Okay, and this but the movement in the index was not according to that. So the strange behavior in the premium so led to this conclusion that there was algo trading going on. Okay, high frequency algo trading. And yes, so that's all the updates for today. And yes, so even if you see the scores, so even I did not get time to upload the scores, I'll just do it after this video. So even if you see the scores, Nifty was showing strength, but look at here. So there was a sharp decrease in the score, and 11-12, you see score came down. Again it went up a little, but finally again it came down by 11.42, and then it went to the negative zone. Okay, so here 11.42 here, almost here. So no, sorry, 11.7 I think, 11.12. So 11.12 was at around here, this candle. This candle, and after that you see the positions they were shifting, and so you get that signal, and you see after that the fall came. So even like in BankNifty was showing a lot of strength in the morning, but after that when it went up during this during this period when it went up, so it went up more than in the morning. So during this period, if you notice the score, so the score did not move very high. Okay, but finally here 11.03, you see the scores coming down, 11.03, and so it's going up a little and then finally coming down. So that was the thing, like the scores were not moving higher, and so BankNifty, that move was fake. So yes, so here, so scores are decreasing, you can very well see here from the graph, it's very clear, scores are decreasing but BankNifty is sharply going up. So that's where the signal comes. Okay, so yes, now let's come to today's end of the day data. So even let's look at the graph in BankNifty. So the blue one is the index and the red one is the score. So here also you can see the scores were flat but Nifty was going up, and so finally it came down again. Here you can see the Nifty was going up, but this scores were coming down. Okay, so that's the beauty of the scores. So you can check the time. So here, what's the time? This is the time at around 11:19. So that's where the fake up move came. So but the scores were coming down. Okay, so yes, I'll upload the scores, you can verify it. And yes, now let's talk about the levels. So let's go to the 1-day chart for the levels. So Nifty, you see that for the levels, like 18,000 is a psychological level. It's not like an important resistance, or yes, it's a resistance, support, whatever you say, but it's more of a psychological level. Like if 18,000 breaks, then we have again the bull run gets cut off. So that's a psychological level. Below that we have a very nice support at 17,900, as you can see here. So if 17,900 is safe, so then you can like if Nifty is like getting support at 17,900, so it's almost safe to go for put writing, but go at a little far away. Okay, because the next expiry is the next week again. So so you can go for like 17,600 or 700, but let's look at the end of the data. So after then let's conclude. And yes, so above we are having a resistance at 18,090. Even today it got resistance there, so that would be the thing. And after that it's getting resistance at 18,180 to 18,175. Okay, so these are the important levels for Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, it's let's go to the 1-day chart. So for Bank Nifty, even you see that morning it went sharply up, and again this level 41,500, where majority of the call writers are present. I already told you that. So they are like I mean they their Bank Nifty got resistance and it came down, and finally again it took support at 41,000. So Bank Nifty has to stay above 41,000, and 41,500 is acting as resistance for now. You see, for many days here, for a long period of time, Bank Nifty is trading in this very narrow range. So either on one side it has to break, okay? So we have to be very careful, because like I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of trading within this range. So I don't think like I mean this narrow range would be like sustainable. So either on one side it would break. So the thing is that above at 42,000, I mean the big guys are shorting, who just wants to safely take some money home. So they are shorting at 42,000 call writing, okay? So that is one a major update, which you can also check it out, and if you want you can also go and short with them. So that is an important level. So again, just let me confirm. Yeah, so even today there are 8 lakh contracts have been added there, okay? 42,000 overall, there are 14.3 lakhs contracts. So that's one of the psychological that's one of the level. And those who wants to play very very safe, they went at 42,500 and did call short. So 4.1 lakhs contracts there, overall 9.1 lakhs contracts, okay? So that's the update for Bank Nifty. And let's come to the end of the day data. So the end of the day data, you see that futures long has been done, but the main question is futures short positions again building up. So that's one of the questions. And today these futures short positions were built up at 18,000 18,075, almost there. So 18,075 to 18,050, between them these positions were built up. And not only like during that time both in bank, so now these positions are both in Bank Nifty and Nifty, okay? So it's not like sometimes I tell you that majority of the positions are in Nifty, but this time it's in both, in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, but the quantity is more in Nifty, but almost comparable, okay? So a little bit more in Nifty, but not a huge difference. And if you look at the options data, so put writing positions are there and call writing positions hugely closed, okay? So but again, one more thing to notice is that put buying is there. So but again, you can treat these put buyings as, because you see that they have increased their future short, so might be that they are bearish over a short period of time or maybe long period, we don't know. But yes, they have made these positions today because they might not be expecting, like they are expecting that up move is limited. So even if they are having any loss with these futures long positions, so they can they can hedge it with these put buying quantities, okay? So for that purpose these put buying quantities are there, and even there are call buying also. So these call buyings are, because for these put call shorts you don't need that much of call buying, so there are extra call buyings which also has been done because of these futures long position short positions. So futures positions have been hedged with call buying and put buying. And options writing, you can't exactly say that, you see put writing is more, so we will go with put writing. So this data is not conclusive, okay? So the thing is that yes, quite a good amount of futures short positions have been built up, so we should be careful. Market might be taken down till 17,900, but let's see. Let's hope for the best. And so the thing is that again, my opinion would be to go with sell on rise for tomorrow. If you're trading, better not to trade. See what new positions are being formed. But if there is some good opportunity, do trade. But again, I would say to go for sell on rise. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing which I can see, like, because you see that futures short has been done in huge quantity today. Okay, and also there is these put buying, huge put buying quantities, and also there are futures long, but the thing is that futures long, they can be hedged. They have been hedged with these put long positions. So overall, like, it's a sell on rise market. So that's what I think. And again, we have to analyze the fresh options data, what fresh positions are being formed. But as I already told you that in Bank Nifty, so here in Bank Nifty at 42,000 and 42,500, these big guys are going and they are taking call writing positions. 42,000. No, so this is the current one. 42,000 here. So you see, like, even the premium was more than that during the day. So 161. Okay, so that's a very good premium. Okay, and even if you come at 42,500, so then also there is a very nice premium, 4.65. So I mean, those who just wants 1% to 2% per week, so for them it's a very nice opportunity. Excuse me. Yeah, so let's come to Nifty now. So for Nifty again, let me just check. Yeah, so for Nifty, so the big guys are going and shorting at 18,500. Okay, so So 18,500, because they might feel safe there, or if 18,200 breaks or Nifty crosses 18,200, then they might close their positions. Sorry, this is the. So that's the thing. The very safe ones are at 18,500 doing call writing. Okay. So 14 rupees. So yes, there is a good amount of call writing. 13.8 lakhs contracts have been added today itself, and overall there are 29.1 lakhs contracts. The next highest is at 18,300. So those who wants to take a little bit of risk, so 18,300 call writing positions, and yes, today overall there are 26.9 lakhs contracts, but today 14.2 lakhs contracts have been added. So yes, since futures short has been added, so again I would suggest to go with call writing sell on rise. So let's see. And so these are the major positions in options where the big guys are looking for a safe play. So that's the thing. And if so during the morning, again we have to analyze the fresh positions, what are going in, the fresh positions that are being formed in the market, because tomorrow is vital, because it's the next expiry, and so fresh data is going to come. So that's it. And if you want such live market updates, so please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Twitter, and so that you get all the tweet notifications that I do. so that you don't miss such notifications during the live market. So even I gave it yesterday and also today, like the day before. And yes, if we even look at XGX Nifty, so you see that XGX Nifty is at 18,100. So that's quite like, and even if you see that Dow Jones and they have like Nasdaq is in, I mean, they are going down. So let's see what happens. So there are two things, like you can't be sure about what everyone is thinking. So some might see this data and they would be bearish, and again, since Nifty is above 18,100, many are bullish. So that's why you can't read or you can't say that most of the retail traders are bullish or bearish, because some might be bearish, some might be bullish. So it would be risky. Okay, so that's the thing. So the main thing is that I think again it would be a sell on rise. That would be my final conclusion. But again, as you know, every day I check the fresh positions that are forming, and then we will trade if possible. Otherwise, we won't trade. And also, FIIs are buying, but DIIs are selling. So that's one of the concern. So let's see what happens. Okay. So that would be the total update, all the updates. So if I missed any, please do comment below, and also do let me know how November 3rd expiry went for you all. So yes, thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.